over the engine noise. I'm no expert to these videos, but there's this corn binder again. Everything's pretty straight. Bumper got run into, but no damage, obviously, just to the bumper, just dented. And back here and show you the rear again a little bit. You can see no smoke really off of this. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's not really puffing. And fifth wheel's in solid shape. Let's go to the other side of this pneumatic. Air ride, everything works. I just dumped it and cycled it because we don't drive this thing very much, and it's fine. It's not leaking air anywhere. It just blew off. Just a second.